How to buy quarters online. Buying quarters online is useful for collectors seeking rare coins or for those who need quarters for everyday use, such as laundry or parking meters. Here's a structured guide to help you buy quarters online safely and efficiently. Decide what type of quarters you need. Determine if you need regular quarters for daily use, bulk rolls of quarters, or collectible quarters such as state quarters, proof sets, or rare mint editions. Choose a reputable online seller. Purchase from well-known online retailers, banks, coin dealers, or auction sites. Verify the seller's reputation through customer reviews and ratings to ensure authenticity. Check for authenticity and condition. For collectible quarters, ensure they come with proper grading from certified agencies. For regular quarters, confirm that you're purchasing genuine US currency in good condition. Compare prices and shipping fees. Compare prices from different sellers, especially for bulk orders or rare coins. Factor in shipping costs and ensure that the total price fits your budget. Look for bulk options for everyday use. If you need quarters for daily transactions, consider buying rolls or bulk packs from banks or reputable online sellers to get better deals and sufficient supply. Understand the return policy. Ensure that the seller offers a clear return or refund policy in case of incorrect, damaged, or counterfeit quarters upon delivery. Use secure payment methods. Opt for secure payment methods such as credit cards, PayPal, or other trusted payment gateways to protect your financial information during the transaction. Verify delivery and packaging. Check the delivery times and ensure that the quarters are securely packaged to avoid damage, loss, or theft during transit. Join coin collecting communities for rare quarters. Engage with online coin collecting forums or groups to buy, trade, or learn more about rare quarters, market trends, and trusted sellers. Buying quarters online can be quick and easy, whether for collecting or everyday use. Ensure you choose reputable sellers, verify authenticity, and use secure payment methods for a safe and satisfactory purchase experience.